Minasan mo ohayou gozaimasu, konnichiwa, konbanwa, merotomo shimasu. Ang lesson po natin ngayon is all about kiyoshi no henka or adjective conjugation. What is adjective? Adjective is a grammatically related to a noun to modify or describe it. So meaning po, siya po yung nagbibigay kulay sa ating conversation. In Japanese po, may dalawang klase ng adjective. Ang i-adjective at na-adjective. Kung sa verb, dapat alam po natin kung saang rule nabibilang ang isang verb. Kung siya ba ay nabibilang sa rule number 1, rule number 2, or rule number 3. Sa adjective naman po, dapat alam po natin kung nabibilang ba siya sa i-adjective or na-adjective. Para mas maintindihan nyo po, simulan na po natin. Kiyoshi no henka or adjective conjugation. So, sa i-adjective po, may 4 po tayong self forms. So, first, present tense. Ang rule po niya is copy jishoke and add des or it is. First, tsuyoy, strong. Okay, copy jishoke and add des magiging tsuyoy desu or it is strong. Next, yuwai, weak. Copy jishoke and add des. Yuwai desu or in English, it's weak. Next example. I matawa yoy. Nice. Same meaning lang po yung dalawa. Either po pwede nyo po siyang gamitin. So, copy jishoke and add des, magiging ides. Matawa, yoides. Copy jishoke and add des, ides. Matawa, so ikakopy yung jishoke na yoy and add des, magiging yoides. It is nice. Next example. Kakkui. So, chisai tsu. So, double consonant po yun. So, dapat na-pronounce po natin. Okay? So, copy jishoke magiging kakkui. Add des magiging kakkui desu. Or, he is good looking. Next, kawaii. Cute. Copy jishoke and add des. Kawaii desu. Or, she is cute. Next, negative present form. Ang rule po niya is cancel final e and add kunai desu. It's not or it is not. For example, tsuyoy, strong. So, cancel final e magiging tsuyo. Add kunai desu magiging tsuyo kunai desu. Or, it's not strong. Next, yuwai, weak. Cancel final e magiging yuwa. Add kunai desu magiging yuwa kunai desu. Or, it is not weak. Next, i matawa yoy. So, si i po, hindi po siya applicable sa ibang subforms ng adjective conjugation. Sa present lang po siya po pwedeng gamitin. Okay? So, ang gagamitin po natin sa other subforms po ay ang yoy. For example, okay? So, i matawa yoy. Nice. So, cancel final i magiging yo. And add kunai desu magiging yu kunai desu or it's not nice. So, next example. Kakkui, good looking. Okay, sa mapapansin nyo po, may dalawang i po yan siya sa dulo. Instead of E, gagamitin po natin ay yoy. Cancel final E, so magiging kakoyo. Add konides, magiging kakoyokonides, or he is not good looking. So next example, kawaii, cute. So mapapansin nyo po may dalawang E po yan siya sa dulo. But hindi po siya katulad ng kakuy na yung dalawang E is magiging yoy. Okay? So exempted po yung kawaii. So ifa-follow lang po natin kung ano ang rule ng negative present tense. So final cancel E, meaning isa lang po yung ika-cancel natin. Okay? So magiging kawai. Add konides, magiging kawai konides. She is not cute. Next subform, past tense. Cancel final E and add katades. In English, it was. For example, suyoy, strong. Cancel final E, magiging suyo. Add katades, magiging tsuyuk katades. It was strong. Next example, yuwai, weak. Cancel final E, magiging yuwa. Add katades, magiging yuwa katades. It was weak. Next example, E, matawa, yoy. So, ang i-conjugate lang po natin ay ang yoy. Cancel final E, magiging yo. Add katades, magiging yuk katades, or it was nice. Next example, kakuy, good looking. So, cancel final E, magiging kakuyo. Add katades, magiging kakuyo katades, or he was good looking. Next, kawaii, cute. Cancel final E, magiging kawai. Add katades, magiging kawai katades, or she was cute. So next subform, negative past tense form. So ang rule po niya is cancel final E and add kunakatades, or it was not. First example, suyoy, strong. Cancel final E, magiging tsiyo. Add kunakatades, magiging tsiyo kunakatades, or it was not strong. Next example, yuwai, weak. Cancel final E, magiging yuwa. Add kunakatades, magiging yuwa kunakatades, or it was not weak. Next, E, matawa, yoy, nice. Cancel final E, magiging yo. Add kunakatades, magiging yukunakatades, or it was not nice. Next, kakuy, good looking. Cancel final E, magiging kakuyo. Add kunakatades, magiging kakuyo kunakatades, or it was not good looking. Next, kawaii, cute. Cancel final E, magiging kawai. Add kunakatades, magiging kawai kunakatades, or she was not cute. Okay everyone, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Kung nakatulong man po sa inyo ang video na to, please click the like button. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. At for more videos and for more lessons to come, at para po ma-notify kayo, please click the bell button. God bless! Sayonara!